Hello again, just another short tip, and this one is on prepping. What is prepping? Prepping is simply the short for preparing, pre-preparing. Now, prepping can really help to enhance cooking experience and to let you have, a more free-flowing cooking experience, quicker and more efficient results. I'm going to give a few examples of prepping. Say, for instance, you have, especially if you have a microwave, or nowadays people love the air fryer. And you know, the air fryer, I did a feature on the air fryer just last week, which is that air fryer makes things so easy, but at the same time, in order to achieve good and maximum results, it is important to use the air fryer efficiently, use the air fryer responsibly and in a kind of professional way as well, to get the good and the best results for safety and otherwise to get good results. And so here are some examples which I could give of prepping when it comes to work around the kitchen and preparing meals and so on. And so you can employ the use of, first of all, I would say it's good to, sorry for the sound, to employ the use of, say, a few, storage containers. You're going to need that, storage containers. And so in the area of vegetables or meats, you can prep your meats and vegetables. Say if you have fish or chicken, you can, when you purchase it from the supermarket, you wash it with your lime, pre-prepare it, and you can season. You don't have to season, but you can. And cut it up and freeze it, so that when the time of cooking comes, it's not so much of a big job. Now, in the case of vegetables and cold cuts of meat, you can do a similar thing. And so here I have like some pre-prepared mixed vegetables, which can be used to prepare a nice quick soup, or if you have a simple dish, say you want to prepare a simple dish for your breakfast and you have some cuts of ham or some slices of chicken left over, you can use your mixed vegetables along with the cold cut of meat, and you top it with some sauces and then a little water, and you have a very quick meal, which would have seemed like you had just prepared it when you had done a lot of prepping, So prepping makes work so much easier, especially when you are using a microwave. And when it comes to the air fryer, yes. And so this is another example of prepping. This is coconut milk ice cubes, which on a normal basis, you'd use it from the tin, but because of convenience sake and in order to extend the shelf life, because the coconut cream has to be used in a few days if it's not frozen. And so when you freeze it, it can be a bit hard to manage, but if you ice cube it, it's much easier to deal with, and you use 1 cube or 2 cubes of ice cubes, and it doesn't lose its value at all, and so in areas like these, we can save on time and make the cooking job so much easier. So that's all for prepping in today's video. See you in the next video.